Hurricane is coming this way, and we're going on a Norwegian getaway. It's so windy, oh my god. Last ones to arrive at the terminal, apparently. We are literally the last ones to check in, and they actually say that they're closing the door in 10 minutes, but it's not even 3, and they said they were doing that at 3:30, so we technically have 40 minutes, but because they're departing at 4:30, but apparently they're gonna leave at 4. They're trying to leave as soon as possible before the hurricane hits, so. Run, Rob, run! We are the P runners of the embarkation day. We haven't even been on board yet, and we're just like P runners. Everybody at the check-in was saying, "Take your Dramamine, you're gonna need it."
I think we'll do that when we get in the room.
Yeah, it's gonna be a bumpy ride. Yay, Norwegian Getaway. Here we go.
Don't leave us.
Are we the last ones? You're just waiting for us?
You made it. No lines. That's a good part.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Did you check the muster station? Did you stop there already? Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I enjoy your vacation.
Thank you. So we're on board, and we're going straight to the muster station because we don't have much time left, and we have to do that. So before heading to the room to show everything and do that little tour.
Very pretty in here. Very pretty.
Yeah, it is. It kind of reminds me of the Bliss, the shape, the design. After the bus station, I'm gonna do that little room tour for you guys to show our mini suite, right?
Yep.
Yeah, it's gonna be a mini suite. I'm excited.
Hey Nancy, you guys are going to be my besties. I know if you're going to be having one of these
A lot of people here by the guest services. And there's a little live band. And here we are.
You guys
Station.
are together with Dan Blason.
Yes. Okay, they just showed the place in case of emergency. They see here by this area of gas services, and now we're heading to our room. We are in the elevator.
Can I say something about the key cards, if you don't mind?
Yes, sir.
So you get your room key, old school, right there as you check in at the port.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not at the door, like at the door of your room.
But I like it this way because nobody can mess with your cards.
10198. This is our room, and it's a mini suite. Let's go in. Activating light. You turn the lights outside to not disturb or make your room. And this is the thermostat. We ordered a lot of water, like the last time on the Bliss. Because I drink a lot of water, and we got some complimentary too. Is it complimentary?
Yes.
Oh yeah, because the mini. Is it because we're silver or because it's the mini suite?
Silver.
Oh yeah, we just changed to silver, and we got 2 little tiny free waters. What the hell?
So when they
Best
say
together.
mini suite, they really mean mini.
It is ultra
Going
tiny
to the
suite.
balcony is so small.
It is a ultra tiny suite. Why the beds are separate? Your mother's gonna be happy about this. Separate beds. Anyway, let me show you around the room, and let me go straight to the balcony. Oh my god, this is tiny. How do you even sit here? It is very small. Very, very small. Then you have to like squeeze yourself to go around and treat the chair like that to be able to sit in one of them. I don't even think if they can stay like that. Oh, they can. Yeah, it fits like this. What the hell is this salt? Oh my god, look at this.
The salt all over the windows.
Yeah, wow. Look at that. All the salt. Salt. It's very windy and it's been storming on and off, so that's why all this salt all over the place. Let me go back to the... So this is our fantastic balcony. Got stuck. No, I'm just kidding. But it's really small. And also, you're a little ways from the water. You oversee the lifeboats. And let me go back here. You can lock the door up here in case of you have kids. So this side of the bed, we have the light switch and this one for the little lamp. That is not going on, I don't know why. Oh, it take a while. That's weird. No USB outlets on this side or any charging stations. Nothing in the middle as well. Nothing on that side. Wow, there's no chargers at all next to the beds.
You put your stuff here.
Nothing. I got nothing. Yeah, like I was saying, no outlets next to the beds. And here's a sofa bed. And actually has like drawers under it that you can put stuff. I remember that because it's just like the Bliss. It's not a huge drawer under the couch. Here's the closet. Hangers and robes and the safe. They do have a coffee machine here and hangers, space on the bottom for the luggage or shoes. Medium flat screen TV here, and they have the menu for room service with the breakfast papers to hang outside the door. More compartments here under the TV and here, and this one is the refrigerator. I got some water, Aquapana and Pellegrino, and a bottle of champagne. And here on top of the fridge we have our telephone, the working station as I call, with 2 normal outlets, 2 European outlets. And as you can see, we bring these devices that gives you extra ports for charging. You can get them on Amazon. This one you can use in a European outlet, just like this. And then you have several other extra ports to use, which is awesome. And under here we have the trash can and this booth where you can sit, use it as a table, and also use as a compartment inside where I put all the waters that we ordered. And under here next to the trash can we have a hairdryer. That's it for the mini suite room. And let me check the bathroom, because the bathroom is what differs the regular balconies from the mini suite, because the mini suite, the room itself is as small and normal, regular, just like the other rooms. But this is the bathroom and it's super spacious. So here's the toilet, got the big mirror and the vanity with double sink. super big, which is absolutely incredible. Shower is big, and they have the shampoo and conditioner and body wash separate. The big shower head. Oh my god, and this is awesome. I just noticed they have water jets from here, and legs and feet all over. That's cool. Under the sink, a compartment here, a little drawer, and trash can. So I basically wiped with a towel all the salt that was on this door, and we could even use the chairs because it was covered in salt, so I cleaned them out. The little table as well, just some salt, but I tried the best to wipe everything, even here, because look the difference. That's how it was, and I wiped the whole thing. Even tried here, but I couldn't reach, so I just take it. So I just left the way it is. I hope you enjoyed our tour of the mini suite. We're not very impressed. It's really small. I like the bathroom though.
That's about it. I guess we're going to be spending a lot of time there.
You definitely will
that
spend a lot of
balcony
time in the
is
bathroom.
so small.
Regardless.
The smallest balcony I've ever seen.
Yes, the balcony is really small. The room is really small. And we picked our beds already. Rob is gonna and lay on that one because he likes to watch the TV. And the TV doesn't tilt like
It's
much.
a small TV.
And it's like, only if you lay on this bed or on the couch, you can see the TV.
Turn this camera around a minute. This is where the TV should be. Look how big it is. This
Yeah,
could be great
this
for
wall.
television instead of this. That's as much as it swerves, so the person in the far bed won't be able to see it.
I kind of see it, but it cuts a little bit of the TV. But yeah, that's why he picked this bed. And I picked this one because I like to keep watching the ocean.
Because we're in a mini suite, we're supposed to get upgraded bedding, so it should be nice and soft. Let's test it out. Ready?
Let's see.
Here we go.
Okay, let's do it together. No, you go for...
Can we do it together?
I don't know if you're going to catch both of us. Because we're in separate beds.
Oh.
Rob's mom would be happy about it. Anyway, okay, 3, 2, 1. I think we're going to do it.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and...
Woo! Ow, I hit my feet on the wall.
Oh, no.
It is fluffy, but not... Yeah.
It's fluffy.
Yes, but that's what I'm saying. It's not like
All we
high
have to
quality
do is move
fluffy.
that out and put it on my side and then slide them together. That's all they do.
As we're not impressed about the room, but it's gonna be our home for the next 10 days, so we're gonna enjoy as much as we can, especially because we're going to, for the first time, to two different new places, St. Lucia and St. John's. Hopefully, if the hurricane doesn't do like the...
We're outrunning a
thing.
hurricane. That's what we're doing, so...
Yeah, but... Yes, hopefully we go to this new place that we haven't been yet. So, and thanks for watching this video of the room tour and embarkation day on Norwegian Getaway.
If you want behind the scenes content, you can join our Patreon page. Very easy to do at Guga and Rob. And also our YouTube membership as well.
Yeah, Rob is going to be posting stuff
Bunch
there.
of stuff there, yeah.
For our members.
Ow.
And don't forget to leave your like, subscribe if you haven't, and leave your comment. And
We will see you in the next video.
yeah.